Hello students, welcome you all. I am Mrs. Sonali Bagode from Signet Public School, New Narhe. Let us start a new chapter, that is surface areas and volumes. This is somewhat interesting. We are going to study about the objects. You all are familiar with some solid shapes. The solid shapes that we have encountered so far in mathematics, that are basic fundamental shapes like cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cones. In our day-to-day life, we come across with number of solids which have these shapes. See this bottle, this is like a cylinder. A birthday cap, it has a cone shape. A ball, which is nothing but a sphere. A box, it can be a cube or cuboid. So, students, see all these objects, these are 3D or three-dimensional shapes. We shall now learn about the surface areas and volumes. Cube. See, this is a cube. It has a six faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Its length, breadth and height all are equal. If we open up this cube, this look like it is. Each faces of this cube is a square. If each edge of a cube is a, then the square of each face is a square. The sum of all these faces gets 6 a square. So, the surface area of a cube is 6 a square. This is also referred as the total surface area of a cube. So, the total surface area of a cube is nothing but 6 a square. See cuboid. Look at this cuboid. We have used 6 rectangular pieces to cover up all outer area of a cuboid. This figure, when opened out, would look like this. The sum of all areas of rectangular pieces is area of rectangle 1 is L into H plus area of rectangle 2 L into B plus area of rectangle 3 L into H plus area of rectangle 4 L into B plus area of rectangle 5 B into H plus area of rectangle 6 B into H. So, it equals to 2 into LB plus 2 into BH plus 2 into HL. It gets 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. So, this is nothing but the surface area of a cuboid. So, the surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Suppose if out of these 6 faces, if we consider the area of only 4 faces, leaving top and the bottom, in such cases the area of all these 4 surfaces is called as the lateral surface area of a cuboid or cube. So, this is a lateral surface area. So, now see, for cube, the surface area of a cube is equal to 6 a square. For cuboid, the surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. The lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4a square, whereas the lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into bracket L plus B into H. Now see about the cylinder. This is a cylindrical shape. In cylinder, there are curved surfaces and flat surfaces as well. The curved surface area is nothing but the area of the curved surfaces. In cylinder, there are two flat surfaces at the top and the bottom. See this, the perimeter of this circular shape is equal to 2 pi r, and into the height of this cylinder is h, so it gets the curved surface area of a cylinder. So the curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. The flat surface area of a cylinder is nothing but 2 times the area of circle, which is equal to 2 pi r square. The flat surface area and curved surface area together form a total surface area of a cylinder. So the total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h is equal to 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. So students, this is all about cube, cuboid and cylinder. Thank you.